Hello everyone, my name is Sonabo Somhlaba. I'm the one who is taking you to a field trip of Blackheath Water Treatment Plant. This water treatment plant is treating and cleaning water for the communities around Cape Town. It is very important to have a water treatment plant in urban areas because it can have a bad environmental impact not to have it. It would mean that people must use the rivers, and those rivers are polluted by the sewage and chemicals from the industries. Secondly, Cape Town has scarce water, so it is important to have water that is collected to one place and distributed to people. So let's dive into the process of water treatment. Here there is a water intake. The raw water is channeled from the dams. We have 6 major dams here in Cape Town, namely the Theewaterskloof, the biggest one, the Fourvlei, the second biggest, the lower Steenbras and upper Steenbras, and the last one is Homer's Hook. So here the water is channeled, is the stage 1. The stage 2 is called coagulation. Coagulation is the addition of lime and aluminium. Those two chemicals are very important on neutralizing the acidity of the water. The second stage is called flocculation. Here the particles are collide with one another and get ready to settle down. The second stage is called sedimentation. Sedimentation is happening on the big reservoir. Here the dust is allowed to settle down on the sedimentation tank in trying to clear the water to be clean. So from the sedimentation is called the flotation. Not all the dust is settling down on the sedimentation. Some particles are flowing, so they cannot settle down. So the flotation, they are looking for the remainder of the flux, so they remove it. They are small particles, and that all those things are removed on this stage. Then we move to the chlorination or disinfection. Here there is a addition of chlorine gas to the water. It helps to remove bacteria and large microorganisms. So the water is now moving to another stage called filtration. Filtration, here they are using sand to filter all the dirt that is remaining from other stages, namely sedimentation and flotation. So they pour the water over the sand, so the clean water filter through the sand and the dirt remain on the sand. Here is the last stage, water storage and distribution. Here is the addition of carbon dioxide and more lime, again to prevent the corrosion in the delivery pipes. Water is then stored and delivered to people. So at this stage, the water is ready to drink. It's clean. So they are using water They distribute water naturally, not by the pumps. They use pressure of water to develop water to the communities. This water treatment plant is delivering water to people like Brackenfell, Belleville South, Blackheath, and the surroundings. So that's the way of cleaning the water. Thank you.